Welcome to the Saskatchewan Association of Licensed Practical Nurses Licensure Audit Tutorial Series. Every year, as part of its ongoing duties to ensure the compliance and competence of its members, SALPN selects a portion of its membership to undergo a Criminal Record Check, or CRC, audit. LPNs practicing in Saskatchewan are required to take part in the licensure audit as part of their duties under SALPN bylaws and in accordance with the Licensed Practical Nurses Act 2000. If you were selected for a CRC audit, you were notified by email at the address on file with SALPN at the time of your selection. That email contained a link to the online member portal that you will use to complete your audit. You can also navigate to the portal yourself by typing salpnv6.alinityApp.com/client directly into your browser's address bar. You can complete the audit using virtually any device with an internet connection and a reasonably up-to-date version of any of the major browsers. Most of this video demonstrates the audit process on a PC, but will also demonstrate certain elements using a tablet. Once you're at the login screen, you'll need your email address and password. If you've forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password link. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and a verification code. When you're ready, go ahead and click the Submit button and an email to reset your password will be sent to your inbox. Now just click the link in the password reset email. You'll be asked to input and confirm a new password. Remember, your new password has to be a minimum of 8 characters and must contain at least one special character. Make sure you keep your password in a secure place. Now you can return to the login screen, enter your email address and new password, and log in. You'll be taken directly to the member's dashboard. From this dashboard, you'll be able to complete your annual renewals and update your profile. If you've been selected for a CRC audit, it will appear on the screen as well. To begin the audit, just click or tap the orange Update button. You are immediately taken to the online CRC audit form. Once you double-check any pre-populated fields for accuracy, you can begin uploading your CRC documents. To upload the documents, just click the solid blue Upload button, then select the appropriate document from your document library. You can upload a maximum of 2 images when uploading your CRC documents. Images and documents need to be in a PDF, PNG, JPEG, DOC, or DOCX format and can be no larger than 5 megabytes. If you make a mistake, just click the red trash icon beside the image you want to remove. If you don't have an electronic version of the record check available, don't worry. You can save the audit for completion once you've had a chance to scan it into your computer. Better yet, if you're completing the audit on a smart device, take a picture and load it directly into the form. Just make sure all images are clear and legible. If there was a cost associated with obtaining your criminal record check, check the Yes box and upload a copy of the receipt. Again, the image needs to be in focus and easy to read. SALPN staff need to be able to see all the relevant details to get your audit and reimbursement check processed as quickly as possible. Once all the appropriate documents are uploaded, it's time to submit the audit. Click or tap the green Submit button. If you're missing any required information, you will receive an error message and be automatically redirected to the necessary field highlighted in red. In this case, it's a simple fix to read and accept the declaration. Now that that's fixed, we can submit the audit again. The information will save and you will be redirected to the main dashboard, along with a confirmation message letting you know that the audit is submitted. In addition to your on-screen confirmation message, you will also receive an email confirming the submission. Once your audit has been submitted, SALPN staff will review the documents. Make sure you keep an eye on the email inbox you have on file with SALPN, even if it isn't one you normally use. SALPN staff will email you if they have additional questions or if you need to provide additional documentation. You'll also be emailed about the results of your audit once SALPN staff complete the review. Criminal record checks are an integral part of SALPN's requirements for licensure. If you have additional questions about this important process, please contact SALPN via email at registration@salpn.com, and thanks for watching.